Nice and decent people, this is the final product. This is the curry goat, authentic curry goat, authentic curry goat, high grade, the same that you will find in any Jamaican restaurant or any well done Jamaican preparation. Keep the fire burning. This is it. Bon appetit. Yes, nice and decent people, today I'm going to make some curry goat, and this is the curry goat here, well seasoned, well organized. This will be done on some charcoal, and basically we're going to have some fun today. I know that there are many people who can't even boil water, especially a lot of men. Some of them can't even boil water, which is very unfortunate. So today I'm going to be making some nice curry goat to stimulate and encourage people to do those things. Keep the fire burning. Yeah, people, so this is my pan here with some oil and some curry. I have used some of this imported vegetable oil, but normally I like getting my own coconut oil, which I normally make from scratch. It is a shame that we cannot buy our own coconut oil here for the most part. I know that there's a company in Vieux-Fort that was doing a marvelous job in selling those things, but I'm not sure if they are around still. But I'm just getting this thing, this curry in this oil, getting it ready, getting it hot before I can add the meat to it. Okay, keep the fire burning. It's a thing, sometimes you go around eating curry goat, and the thing is the authentic curry goat taste is not there, which is very unfortunate. So there was a guy from in around, I think, Marisil area, a Jamaican guy used to sell curry goat, and I used to sometimes go all the way there to eat it. But then a Jamaican partner, when I was in Jamaica, showed me how to make those things. So right now it is my time to light up the fire to burn down rum. This is most of the thing me tell the people on the tour. Make sure your hands clean and make sure your heart pure. Boy, you this Marcus. This Emmanuel. Born the lion, every knee shall bow and every tongue confess. The earth is the fullness on which everything dwells. Don't have you find heaven, don't have you find hell. Boy, this Marcus. So good, so good, so good, so good. The world is a cycle. Look at how remarkable that thing look. Yes, this is green pawpaw papaya. I'm using it because I want to tenderize, and I know it has its properties. We bow down to worship you, Yahweh, Yahweh. Come on and do what only you can do. Mighty man of war, Lion of Judah, we bow down to worship you, Yahweh, Yahweh. Come on, do what only you can do. Come on and do what only you can do. We bow down to worship you. Come on and do what only you can do. Mighty man of war, Lion of Judah, we bow down to worship you. Hot water is poured to tell the youth right from wrong. All who believe in love will get a blessing from above. All who believe in love. Oh, I lift up my hands to the Father, I lift up, 'cause He made me strong. He put the food on my table, yes, and in my heart is song. Oh, Jah, I love you so. Mighty Jah, I need you so. Hallelujah. Praise His name. Hallelujah. Every night and day. Hallelujah. The highest praise. Hallelujah. Chef Christian is at it again, boy. Chef Christian. Yeah. Today, doesn't it? Today I have to make you bite. Literally bite your finger. Nice and decent people, this is the final product. This is the curry goat, authentic curry goat, high grade, the same that you will find in any Jamaican restaurant or any well done Jamaican preparation. Keep the fire burning. This is it. Bon appetit.